All right then, so let's open up your browser. So let me bring my browser this screen over here so you can see. All right, so open up your browser and search for, open your Google search engine and search for Python download. So you can find this official website www.python.org. So click that. All right, so here you can see the latest versions or the older versions of the Python. So don't click the download directly over here. Sorry. Choose your platform, either Windows or Linux or macOS, whatever it is. Click the platform, in this case macOS, and there you can see the stable release, right? So by default you don't have to install the Python in the macOS because by default it is already installed in your machine. All you have to do is to go and check whether your macOS does have the Python or not. If you are looking for Windows platform, so click the Windows and go for the stable release. Don't go for the latest one, go for the stable release. If it is both the same, then not an issue, but please prefer the stable release. So click this Windows 64 installer or 32-bit installer, whatever your machine supports. Please go ahead and install. Maximum it will support the 64-bit installer, so that will download the exe file, and then you don't have to change anything else. Just double click it, click next, and that is done. So all you have to do is to click next, and once it's finally done, all you have to do is to open up your terminal, and then just type Python 3 version. So in this case you need to type Python alone. If you are using Mac or Linux, you have to type the Python 3. So hit the enter. So that will gives you a version number of your Python. So if you got this version number in your terminal or your command prompt, then that's it. We have successfully installed your Python in your machine. So basically by default, one second, let me open the text edit. So by default, once you install the Python in your machine, so by default, Python does have the default IDLE, the integrated development environment, So this integrated development environment will help you to write the Python code over there. So you can write the Python code easily. But in this case, we are going to use the Visual Studio Code. So that's what we are going to use. And I'm going to show you how to set up your environment and everything in the next session. So let's go ahead and do that now.